My name is Scott Meredith. I've been working at Cirrus for 30 years. I'm the head of engineering.
I'm Darren Yeager, head of sales and marketing for Cirrus. Cirrus is a manufacturer of electrical cable and harness test equipment, so we make good connections happen.
We were started in 1984 by Marlon Shelley. His goal was to create a tester company that could create equipment that was small enough that you could ship in a shoebox.
He had an application within the company that he was working for at the time where they were finding bad cable assemblies. He found that the cables needed to be tested, and so being an engineer and also an entrepreneur, he came up with the ability to test those cables and created the first product. By listening to the customer's feedback and creating the solutions that they were looking for, he was able to make a company that specializes in cable and harness testing. So Cirrus products are used in various applications in all the different industries: medical, military, aerospace, defense, industrial, consumer goods.
Or the cables in your phone, all the way up to the Mars rover missions were tested with our equipment.
Cirrus's typical customer, I guess we'd say, is kind of non-typical.
There's two types. The one type would be a large company looking to test something very complex with lots of engineers working with it.
We also have customers who build their own devices, like let's say an aircraft or a drone or a vehicle.
Second type of customer would be a small shop that builds a lot of different kinds of cables.
We have a lot of small shops that supply bigger outfits with cable and harness assemblies. They make those for a living, so they only make cables for other people. Various customers all over the world to use the products to ensure that their products are good.
My name is Dale Brown. I work for ATL Technology in Springville, Utah. I'm a manufacturing engineer. I'm in charge of all electrical testing. ATL's impact on the world is by improving patients' lives and furthering the medical industry. Cirrus has helped us by allowing us to test products quickly, accurately, and consistently. For 21 years that I've been here, we've always used Cirrus testing.
Cirrus improves the quality of our world one connection at a time. It is the backbone of everything that you do. Generally, as a product has a wire harness assembly or an electrical connection system inside of it, and you want to verify that that system is working properly.
My name is Reagan Marriott. I'm a mechanical engineer for the customs department here at Cirrus. Improving the electrical systems of all these little things in each kind of industry collectively makes the whole world better.
And since we verify quality, that is our job. It ensures that what you have is working and you can rely on it and count on it.
The reason why we decided to work with Cirrus is, I think, for customer support mainly, but the big reason is because Cirrus provides us with testers that are accurate, easy to use, and very cost efficient.
Customer experience. That's our main thing that sets us apart.
I like to think of us as a customer service company who happens to make test equipment.
I think it's the people that make the difference, and that's the service, our commitment to our customers, our willingness to try to get it right, to try to support them as they have problems and try to solve their own problems and make their lives easier.
The person who designed whatever it is you're using is like right there at any given moment.
Like the original founder's philosophy is listening to the customer and developing solutions around what they need is the backbone of everything we do. Cirrus is a great place to work. I've enjoyed working here for many years. What I like is the autonomy that Cirrus affords people, the ability to come up with creative solutions.
It wouldn't be the company I worked at for 30 years if it wasn't for the people.
The best thing about working at Cirrus is definitely the people and the culture. It's always nice to be like walking into work and saying hi to everybody and knowing kind of that you work with friends every day. It's pretty nice. Some of the benefits of working at Cirrus include like generous PTO and holidays. Most people get a pretty flexible work schedule, tuition reimbursement, which I've taken advantage of.
And there's always the benefits of very high compensation for your time and for your 401k retirement plans and those kind of things.
With the right kind of people, the job you do doesn't matter. It's who you work with every day, and that's what makes the difference.
I would greatly recommend Cirrus for their products and their services due to the experiences that I've had with the company.
If someone wants to know more about Cirrus, they should probably start by visiting our website, cirrus.com.
You can visit the webpage or just send an email to info@cirrus.com and somebody will be with you shortly, regardless, whatever it is. That's the fastest way to get service. You can also call our 801 number, 801-973-4600.
It has positively impacted our clients by them recognizing that the tools that we use are the best that can be used. In fact, we've introduced Cirrus to a lot of our customers and they've integrated the testers into their own products. If you build a cable and harness, you should Cirrus it.
When you build a cable, you should Cirrus it.
If you build a cable, you should Cirrus it.
If you build a cable, you should Cirrus it.
Cirrus It!